Hello, my friend. Welcome. We are very happy you are here today.
Hello. Yes, welcome. Today we talk about English conversation with friends.
Many people feel shy when they talk in English.
Many people feel afraid.
Maybe you feel your mind is empty.
Maybe you feel your words are slow.
This is normal.
This is okay.
Today, we help you feel calm.
Today we help you feel strong.
We talk like friends.
Simple talk.
Easy talk.
Real life talk.
Let me ask you a question.
Yes,
Do you want to talk with friends in English?
maybe at school.
Maybe at work.
Maybe online.
But when the time comes, you feel stuck.
You do not know what to say.
Your heart feels fast.
Your mouth feels closed.
Today, we change this.
Yes, we change this together.
First, relax.
Take a slow breath.
In.
Out.
Good.
You are safe here.
You can make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
When we talk with friends, we start small.
We start easy.
We do not use big words.
We use daily words.
Words you hear every day.
Words you can remember.
Let us start with a very simple problem.
You see a friend,
You want to talk.
but you do not know how to start.
Many beginners feel this.
Yes, very common.
The first thing is a greeting.
A greeting is hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
These are greetings.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Very good.
You did it.
Now, after hello, we add a small question.
A friendly question.
For friends, we often ask, how are you?
How are you?
Repeat after me. How are you?
How are you? This question is not deep.
It is simple.
It means, are you okay?
It means, how do you feel?
Now, let's learn answers.
Very simple answers.
Good.
Fine.
Okay.
Not bad.
Repeat after me.
Good.
Good.
Fine.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad. When you talk with friends, you can add one small word.
Like very.
Very good.
Very fine.
Very okay.
We say very good often.
Now we put it together.
Listen first.
Hello. How are you?
I am good.
Now you try.
Repeat after me.
Hello. How are you?
Hello. How are you?
I am good.
I am good.
Nice.
Very nice.
Friends also ask back.
This is important.
After you answer, you ask them.
You say, and you?
Repeat after me.
And you?
And you? Simple.
Very simple.
Now listen to the full mini talk.
Hello. How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine.
This is a real conversation.
Short.
Easy.
Friendly.
Let us practice again.
Repeat slowly.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I am good.
I am good.
And you?
And you?
You see?
You can talk.
Now, friends often talk about daily life,
Simple things.
like work,
Like study.
like today. A very common question is, how is your day?
How is your day?
This means, is your day good? Or what happened today?
Repeat after me. How is your day?
How is your day? Answers can be very easy.
Good.
Busy.
Okay.
Long.
Tired.
Repeat after me.
Busy.
Busy.
Tired.
Tired. Now listen.
How is your day?
It is good. Or you can say,
It is busy.
it is okay. Friends often add a reason,
One small reason.
but keep it simple.
For example, it is busy. Work is busy today.
It is good. School is good.
Repeat after me. It is busy.
It is busy.
Work is busy today.
Work is busy today. You are doing great.
Yes.
Now let's do a longer practice.
Imagine you meet a friend.
At a cafe.
Or online.
Listen first.
Hi, how are you?
I am okay. And you?
I am good. How is your day?
It is busy. Work is busy today. Simple.
Real.
Now you try.
Repeat slowly.
Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
how are you?
I am okay. And you?
I am okay. And you?
It is good. How is your day?
It is good. How is your day?
It is busy. Work is busy.
It is busy. Work is busy.
Very good.
You can do this.
Now let's talk about likes.
Friends talk about likes a lot.
Like food.
Like music.
Like movies. A very easy question is, do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Repeat after me.
Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee? Answers are simple.
Yes, I do.
No, I do not. Repeat after me.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
No, I do not.
No, I do not. We often use short answers with friends.
Yes, I do.
Or just yes.
No, I do not.
Or just no. Now let's practice.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do. Do you like tea?
No, I do not.
Very clear.
Very natural.
Friends also say what they like.
I like pizza.
I like movies.
I like music.
Repeat after me.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I like music.
I like music. You can add a feeling word.
Like really.
I really like music. Not this,
I like very music.
but this.
I really like music.
Good correction.
Simple rule.
Now a longer friendly talk.
Listen,
Hey, how are you?
I am good. How is your day?
It is good. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I really like coffee.
Me too. Coffee is good.
Yes, it is very good.
This is it.
This is real talk.
Now we practice together again.
Repeat slowly.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine. And you?
I am good. How is your day?
I am good. How is your day?
It is busy. Work is busy.
It is busy. Work is busy.
You are doing amazing.
Yes.
Be proud. Let us recap.
We learned greetings.
Hello. Hi. Hey.
We learned simple questions.
How are you? How is your day?
We learned answers.
I am good. I am okay.
We learned likes.
I like coffee. Do you like music? Remember,
Short sentences are good.
simple words are enough.
You do not need perfect English.
You need courage
You need practice.
and kindness to yourself.
You can do this.
Talk a little every day.
Say hello.
Ask one question.
Smile.
We are proud of you.
Yes, very proud.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.